So, I'm not sure why this thing vibrates like that. I've got one. Oh, right up here. I actually took this one off the Crosley. It is also a one-wire alternator, and it would quite literally bolt into place right where that one is. And it may be that that would cure that weird wobble. So, I think it'd be worth swapping it out to see. Not much to change it, I think. Just a bolt that goes through the center there, and this one, and the wires, the electrical part. There's been a little noise from up underneath the car. Oh, notice my brake lights are on? That's what I was talking about. They're not releasing, and I'll get to this more when my new switch comes. But basically, that has a nylon, they're off now. That switch has a nylon threaded piece that goes through a shaft, and you tighten the bolts on each side, and that nylon threaded thing is stripped. And the one that I ordered from O'Reilly's has a metal shaft. I believe it'd be heftier and work longer and better. So I'll be changing that as soon as that gets here, and I don't expect it's going to be here till maybe tonight or something like that. Now that might be where my vibration is coming from, right there. You see that? And maybe I don't need to change this. Maybe I need to tighten that. Well, let's take a look at that before we go any further. Else pull this back like this, and I'm not sure what I can come up with to do that. I'm going to think about that somewhere. I feel like if it was back a little more, it would be sturdier. I can see it's the way I've got it hung. There's like a mounting spot up here, but there's nothing back here really at the back of the motor, and I wish there was something. And I'm sitting here wondering, well, what could I fabricate that could go there? I know I could come up with something. Put my mind to it, because that's the kind of guy I am. So I'm going to give that some thought. Put y'all on hold while I do that, and I'll be right back.